Good morning, everyone. I am Paul Kelly, president of Maxiforce. We are excited, as always, to be exhibiting at the PRI Show in Indianapolis, Indiana. This year, we are super excited to promote some of our new products and especially our sponsorship and partnership opportunity with the University of Northern Ohio. Can't wait to tell you more about it. As usual, at every show, we try to bring a display of a wide range of products. Everyone knows Maxiforce for our overhaul kits, but sometimes they don't know about the intricacies of the other parts that we offer. For example, Maxiforce offers turbos. This would be a turbo for a Caterpillar skid steer engine, as well as common rail injectors for Tier 4 and Tier 3 common rail engines, no core. Including in our range is Kubota. This is an example of a Kubota piston found in a Bobcat application. This would be a Yanmar piston found in hundreds of different applications, from Yanmar to John Deere to Mustang to Takaguchi to Cub Cadet. So this is another example of our Yanmar range. This is an example of our latest John Deere Tier 4 Final 6090 steel piston cylinder kit, as well as our range of cylinder heads, oil pumps, water pumps, and complete gasket sets. When you visit the Maxiforce booth, you'll see a wide range of our products. This year at PRI, Maxiforce is incredibly blessed and excited to announce our partnership with the University of Northwestern Ohio's Ag and Diesel program. Maxiforce will be sponsoring this program to help build and educate technicians in our field. The great work that is done at the University of Northwestern Ohio is something that Maxiforce wants to promote and let everyone know how valuable what the work they're doing at the University of Northwestern Ohio is. We are blessed today to have Kobe and Eli, who are members of the Diesel Club, that we have brought to the show to learn a little bit about Maxiforce and a little bit about all the exciting things that are happening at PRI. It's our goal at Maxiforce to help build the future of our industry, and that doesn't happen without places like the University of Northwestern Ohio. So we are so lucky and blessed to be sponsoring and partnering with the University of Northwestern Ohio and its amazing students like Eli and Colby, who we have sponsored to come to the show this year. So Eli, thank you for being with us. Colby, thank you for being with us. So as we have discussed, Maxiforce has an incredibly exciting opportunity and sponsorship partnership with the University of Northwestern Ohio. I wanted to make a brief introduction to Jason, who's the head of the diesel division of the University of Northwestern Ohio, who has allotted Maxiforce the opportunity for this sponsorship opportunity. So I just wanted to thank him so much. Thank you, Jason.
Thank you.
Thank you.